back to my channel. If you want to know how I strengthen my hair, retain length, grow my hair and keep my hair healthy and shiny, then this video is for you. So the ingredients we need for this protein treatment are bananas, and we're going to need like 3 bananas depending on how big your hair is, 1 egg, 1 avocado. Now if you have a very small amount of hair, if you don't have thick hair like me, you can use 1 or 2 bananas, you can use half avocado, but make sure you use 1 egg. So the last ingredient we're going to add to this is coconut milk. Now this is optional, you can add that if you want. If you don't have it, you can use aloe vera gel in place of the coconut milk. So we're going to peel everything and put it into the blender and blend it all up. I'm not going to add water to this. The ingredients I'm going to use to actually melt the coconut milk is glycerin, and I'm using glycerin because you all know protein treatment can actually make your hair safe if you're protein sensitive. So we need something that can actually add moisture to the hair, something that can attract moisture to the hair. That's why I used glycerin. If you don't have access to glycerin, you can use honey as a substitute for this. So I'm also measuring like 1/8 cup of olive oil. As you can see, I used this particular cup to measure all my ingredients. So I added 1/8 cup of olive oil, 1/8 cup of coconut milk as well, and the same thing with the glycerin. I also drizzled a little bit of argan oil to this because this particular argan oil smells so nice. You can see this particular oil smells so nice. So I blended everything up. I didn't add any water to it. I just blended everything. As you can see, it looks so yummy, but never mind, you're not going to eat this. So I'm just pouring this into a bowl, and at this point you can add your essential oils to this, which is very optional depending on whatever hair problem you have. I love adding peppermint oil to my hair products. Whatever hair product I do, I love adding peppermint oil because I love how cool it makes my scalp feel. I love how it feels on my scalp. So you can drop few drops of peppermint oil to this, or tea tree oil, or even lavender oil. That's optional, but I just added it. Now if you're not confident enough, if you know your blender didn't blend this properly, go ahead and strain this just once to get any particle out of it. But for mine, it was perfectly okay, so I didn't need to strain the mixture out. So as you can see, I am putting few drops of peppermint oil into this. When I finished applying this to my hair and covered it with a plastic bag, the peppermint oil started setting into my scalp. It made my scalp feel so good. And if you suffer from dandruff, I think this is something you should try. If you can mix peppermint oil and tea tree oil into these marks, you're going to love it. So now I am checking if the hair that is coming out from my scalp is actually a long strand of hair. I was checking to see if it's actually breakage or shedding normal hair. So it was actually a long strand of hair, which means my hair was not breaking at all. And this is something I always watch out for whenever I comb my hair. And whenever I do this, I check if I actually have breakage or normal shedded hair, and that will make me know the kind of treatment I should give to my hair at that moment. So now I am applying this thoroughly to my hair. I'm going to coat my hair properly with this, and once I am done with that, I'll cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it for 30 minutes. So if your hair is protein sensitive, you can do this for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes and wash it out of your hair. So since this is not like the store-bought proper protein treatment, this is a natural protein treatment. It may not give you exactly the same results a store-bought protein treatment will give you, and this is the reason why I tend to carry it longer on my hair, to let all the ingredients sink into my hair properly, to help my hair absorb the ingredient as much as it can. So this is like a treatment for people who don't have money to spend on store-bought protein treatments, because trust me, they're actually expensive over here and not everybody is able to access it. Me personally, I have to go to a particular store to get it in this state, while some states you can't even see any store selling protein treatment. So this is why I'm making this video. So yeah, this is pretty much what I am going to do, and I'm going to stop talking and allow you guys to watch me do the rest of the video.
singing goodwill to all, to all. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, come, let us adore Him. Oh, night divine, and those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. And those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all, to
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's
So guys, I just washed everything out and look at how my hair is shining. Do you know when you do something and you're seeing results immediately? My hair feels so strong right now, so I'm going to comb everything out and detangle my hair properly. My hair feels strong. Like, if you know you have low porosity hair or your hair is protein sensitive, and I don't actually suggest you leave this for about 30 minutes on your hair. Maybe you should try doing like 10 minutes or 15 minutes and then wash it out, because I left mine for about 30 minutes and my hair feels so strong. This is exactly what I want. Okay, so since I just finished relaxing my hair and I actually need to rebuild more strength and rebuild all the bones that have been broken by the relaxer, I needed this treatment badly. So I love the result. I love how strong my hair feels. Like, you guys, my hair feels strong. Like, I can feel that my hair is strong, not stiff, but I can feel the strength. I'm going to dry my hair and I'll come back to show you guys the final results. So I air dried my hair, and you guys, I'm going to post a video on how I achieved this bouncy looking coils. Thank you guys so much for watching.